Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add photo widget on iPhone, especially on iOS 18. Alright, as you can see here, I have already added a widget, but that's just for example. Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to do so. Just go ahead and tap and hold on a blank space on your phone, and then hit on the edit button. Alright, then scroll down until you see the Photos tab. There you go. Click on that or tap on that. As you can see here, there's the featured pictures, albums. You can add albums here as well, and the album size. All right, you can see here, there's a square, there's a rectangle. As you can see earlier, I have added a rectangle shaped photo widget, right? So I'm going to select on these one right here in the center, this one, the rectangle, add widget. Then it's going to automatically pop up to select an album. Just go ahead and tap on choose. All right. Now in here, it's going to show up multiple albums. Just go ahead and select your preferred album to show on your widget. Right. For example, I'm gonna tap on the sample album right here, and just tap on a blank space outside the square right here. All right. As you can see, it is now added. Once done, just go ahead and click or tap on the done button at the top. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.